Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Eddie Harvey here from TradeWithEd.com. Hey, guys, in this video, what I want to do is talk about a Forex break and retest, guys. I want to show you what one looks like. And pretty much keeping it simple what it is and how you can catch the movement on it, guys, and the way I trade the break and the retest. So I'm looking here, as you can see, I have my chart marked up, guys, off my strategy here. You can see I have my, based off when I mark this chart up here, I have my resistance zone and my support zone here. And I have price trapped in between. And you can see here, price did move up here, boom, shot up, but then it came back down, went down and went to kind of like some consolidation back and forth, back and forth. So finally, today, it broke to the downside. So if you look here, guys, on NZD USD, this right here, because when we go back, this is where this huge wick happened at the beginning of the week, right? That was on Sunday when that huge wick happened in on the NZD pairs. And I mean, if you look right here, this was a drop of what a total was that? 197 pips. Is that what that is? Yeah, like 98 pips. So based on that, when I marked my chart up, you can see here's the gap because this is where the market reopened at. So I had this set for my resistance zone, and then my support zone was set right here because, yes, this long candle, you might be saying, well, it pushed all the way down here, but yeah, that's a fake out. That wick was a fake out, and it closed back up here. And then the next candle right here, guys, created the green candle form, the red candle form. It gave me market structure. And this now became my lowest support zone, okay, over here. And if you look to the left, let's look to the left. Look right here, it was a strong support zone again over here as well. If you look right here again, when the market opened up, this was a gap. The market opened up right here. But it was another support zone right there. So we come back over here, and you look here, price finally broke through. You see I had it marked it up earlier in the week, but a couple of days later, boom, it finally made its move. So the break was the break of this support zone right here. So price broke the support zone, then it retested. So I'm looking for a break of the support zone with the red candle being a sell candle. It retested, as you can see right here, with a green candle. Okay. Then the next candle that opened was a red candle, and it shot down. Now you're seeing all of this on the 1 hour chart. Now I do my markups on the 1 hour chart, but I take my entries off of the 30 minute, the 15 minute, the 5 minute, or the 1 minute. So I was in this entry right here, right? And I got in on this candle here. So let's go open it up. I'm gonna put an ellipse around it, and let's open it up so you can see where I got in at earlier. Okay. So this candle right here, this long red candle, I got in on that candle because I didn't get on this one because it didn't close beneath the support zone, but this candle did. So we go over here. Let's go look at the 30 minute and see if it was a break and a retest. Okay, if you look here, that go a green retest candles. You can see here a break of the zone, a break of the zone, a break of the zone. I'm not getting in yet until I see a green candle. It retested right here. Boom, what happened? Red candle opened up. Okay. So if you look right here, if you could have got in there, that went down. That was like a total of 95 pips. Okay. So breaking a retest, that's what you're looking for. Look at the 15-minute chart. Again, this is where we had the first solid one right here, right? Break, retest. This was a doji, but it was still red. And then go another, boom, solid red candle formed here. Okay? And if you would have missed that one, guess what? Drop, here it is again. It broke the zone completely here. I'm looking for a green retest. The green candle right here touched my line, so it touched my zone. But this candle right here came and closed within the zone. And guess what? Next red candle open up, you get on that candle, take it down. That's what a break and retest looks like. Let's see if we just saw it on the 5-minute. 5-minute, here we go. In this zone. Break, break, break. It's dropping. It's all breaking. Selling. I need a retest right here. Boom, retest, in. If you'd have missed that one, retest, in. You see that? So many options to get in on this. 1-minute chart. Let's go look at the 1-minute chart. Where that break and retest on the 1-minute. Okay. Here it is, the first break. Again, it was a small green doji candle break, retest. Could have got in right here. Any of these candles, they're all retesting on the 1-minute chart, guys. And it went out above it a little bit, but it retested and only shot up. Even a drawdown on this, let's say if you even got in right here, your drawdown total would only been at its max 12 pips. Retest, shot down, missed it. Here go another entry right here. Boom, break, retest, down, shot to the downside. Break, retest, down. Retest, 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 down. So many options. Now check this out. Now, when I got in on this trade, let's go back to the 1 hour. When I got in on this trade, I hit my stop profit. Because once it got to 15 pips in profit, I put my stop profit in. And then it came back up and hit my stop profit, okay? Meaning it stopped me out of the trade. So I didn't catch the big move down, okay? But guess what? Which I know with the way I trade, there's always, in most cases, there's going to be a retest again later on back to this zone. So this support zone, when it got broke and retested, it now became the newfound resistance zone. So this is the highest level of resistance right now. So price broke this support zone. When it retested, this now became a new resistance zone. And then guess what happened? It shot down, right? So I missed this nice move right here. But guess what happened here? I had my chart still marked up. And I was prepared, rush into a trade because I missed this. Now this is not like, oh my gosh, I missed that move. And it's all good. It's going to happen. But I did catch my 2-pip stop profit, right? But I knew there was going to be a retest, so I set my chart. I had it set, as you can see here, for re-entry. So it retested again on this candle here. Boom, there's the retest right there again. It retested this zone, right? Showing us a strong zone of resistance. Boom, next red candle, I got in. And I wrote this down for 70 pips. What did I get it at? So I got in a little lower. So I was off by 10 pips. And I could have caught this, but I set my stop profit at 70 pips. So instead of going over down here, I set it at 70 pips, which I was good with. And I did a twin trade on it. My first order, I caught 30 pips. My second order, I caught 70 pips, 100 pips for the day. So that's what a break and retest, a Forex break and retest looks like, guys. It's a break of the zone, then a retest with a candle of another color. Obviously, a buy candle, with this being a sell. Break with a sell candle, retest with a buy candle. Next candle that opens up is another sell candle, meaning it's dropping down, and then you get in right there. So other people might have other ways to do it, but this is how break and retest works for me, guys. So I hope you all found value in that. All right, guys. So with that being said, thank you for watching. Listen, if you want to learn more about trading Forex, guys, and learn where I learned to trade Forex from the platform I've utilized to learn how to become a self-sufficient independent trader, along with getting educated, and along with getting access to tools and products, guys, to help me earn along the way. And I still use those as well. If you want to learn more about that platform, go to tradewithed.com. Guys, if you found this video to be of value, do me a huge favor and hit the like button. And if you want to hear more from me, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Talk to you later. Have a great day.